within 6 months, I make a 2-bedroom house at Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, man. America up to scratch.
Within 6 months. But then again, me never have pay no bills or nothing. Me live at my auntie house, America.
Keisha, then if you did it over 20 years ago, I used to 250.
It is hard to do, like here and meals and everything.
Cause the money.
Yeah, it wasn't.
So that means to say, when me think say England dear with ear, America dear. Because if you pay
Canada even worse.
If you pay £250 for here in England to put on a wig, lace wig, you not pay so much.
Oh, one guy from my Instagram charge if you put on a lace wig, not even lace wig, a closure, a 250. If you put on a 360,
yeah,
350, and depends on what style, you can pay 500. But when you click veneer or something like that.
In England here.
In America.
Oh, in America.
And then the guy where did it on the TV with the competition. So I hear by him. If you not have like 400 pounds to go to him with the style, what I do?
Mr. Keisha, when me hear the Indian, the Spanish woman, because them use the translator and translator them one. When me hear she said $500, me have to say to the mother say, $500 for what? She said, yes. I saw the money them pay. Me say, what? Do you own a natural ear? Me say, if that mean me take your money and go home, go put like a jelly that me. Shut up, Queenie. Anything you want, you're in a band with you, buy it. If you have the money, you spend it. You understand? Yeah, me no. Come start calculate how much that is in a pound. Me even said to her, so, oh, that. You know, sir, 80,000 Jamaican dollar that. Me said that to her. Me even got sorry. Me say, you know, sir, 80,000 Jamaican dollar that. How holy for money that girl? All me deliver American and pay them money there. Every time I pay that, I put it in my piggy bank and wait buy one ticket and go to Jamaica. I just catch me here and I want to tie up my head. But when you're in a position still at your work, you know, watch that because you have to treat yourself.
When you want your nails?
Like what?
Oh, your nails look so simple.
Oh. No, maybe me that look my husband with them, so.
You normally have flashy things.
Nice, long excitement or something. Maybe to the man that give me a problem and I just said, so, we can't bother with no excitement.
You do it from practice. Not.
No, man, America amazed me. I'm not lying. I never even that. I think that pay $100 US for do all them because I'm the God truth. You never know. I know because I'm on the internet and I'm a queen and I'm a hot girl and this, that. The simple things that you don't think you know in a life. You can't know it all, my love. You're never too old to learn. Watch me ear nice. Yeah, the whole of my ear, I get all that curly on my ear.
You hear like your mommy ear.
Yeah. 440s for haircut from man. How much? How much money this? $40. Yeah. But $40 not bad, baby. Because for England, them pay $20, 20 pounds or 15 pounds to cut hair. So if you pay 15 pounds or 20 pounds for cut hair as a man, and the woman pay $150 for hair.
Around there, so almost 60 pounds for cut white man here.
60?
60 pounds, yeah. Depends on what style. White style and
everybody have them own price. But me nah lie, me never know say ear business so dear America. Spirit almighty God. Me say come like my money. The way me shock, me say 500 US. I ask someone on 10 times if I really color you just a color your ear. She said, I say you're there in America.
No man, fair price a bit much. Depends on which part she do.
I who say my bleach? Queenie, how you say you don't bleach? Me not bleach, baby. So who say my bleach? How can I, but me not bleach, darling. On my skin, you know, see no bleach in the for me. Me's not do it. But true, them know me not bleach, but them go and leave me alone. On my skin, this not that thing in the front. Not even water, not even soap. I just wash my face. Let me bleach. Used to 160, 200 in the 90s.
Yeah.
Macadamia man want.
Let me see macadamia man. Maca, you not even check up on we. I want.
Yeah man, macadamia man.
Me not hear nothing from you all long.
Where them ask me if I'm not beard. So I never had the panel life, I tell some I get up early and for come here just for around 7 o'clock and beard and go back in my bed. Beard, brush my teeth, wash my face. What do you mean by me if I'm not beard? You know, Rudy? My beard more than honor. My mother can't tell you. Some of that Jamaica 10 times. First time I got Jamaica, mama cut me 3 backs. You know my mother rude. Oh, she said me not for call her name for the internet.
Call her name, say your mother.
2014, the way remember me there in England so long, you know, and go down now 2014 get me still hype. But on the come I go down in a well in a September I think. Hot! So every half an hour, I just go in the shower and just wet up. I just go in the shower, just turn on the pipe and wet up. Like every 20 minutes, somebody said to me, say, how much time you going to go in there? Something every time you go in there, take one different towel. I'm a laugh. She said, everything, yeah, you give you a joke? Mom Rudy, you know. Yeah, man, so you can't tell me about bathing. I'm addicted to water. You see me the righteous right now, I wet up myself. I can't stick, girl. I love water too much. My water, go about if my beard, damn rude. My beard one time from morning, and I'm left it and go home later. I'm going to beard hot. Plus tax. How would it say? What a person say, Keisha? I don't think so. What it say? Bath, shower, and bath. What that mean?
Bath, shower, and bath. They say they must have shower and bath and everything. Someone who like. I hope a Queenie like it.
My Queenie girl, my love no same way. You know what me do, you know, girl, that you got customer tell me, are you for go cause are you the go? Are you the on my page? Me don't know what them talk about go for. Me don't know what them do me. Anything me do now, I only first do me. Dexter Dax. I can't tell me it's a Dexter Dax are coming. I can't tell Dexter Dax to send for me. Dexter from UK. Remember saying no, a UK did that come the February and then give me the ads to do. I saw me and Dexter follow. I go on Dexter concert. But glad that's a nice see. When I vote for me, I send go tell Dexter say, for tell the promoter them for put me on them concert, please and thanks cause me the queen. I'm a win sting and I'm on the scene. And the girl them wanna see me. Okay? Dexter! Oh, I forgot to send the Dexter Dax in there, but Dexter Dubs. Dexter said, I should, you know, my love of Dexter again, yeah? Me and Dexter, well, me that worried myself. When me and Dexter fans, them are worried. Keisha, Dexter never look for me. Dexter do an interview with rapper Carper. Yeah, Dexter now. The gangster, I'm not even, me don't mean nothing like him. I said, joke me, I meant. I should not even call me name good. You send me here and say so. But just love them. Even though me and my wife still love me, you know. Oh God. Dexter Dax said, she don't even call me name good. But I just saw my tongue remix thing. And the way I'm comfortable like a Dexter Dax name for sure. Yeah man, big up yourself, Dexter. You hear me? You hear that more you're talking in your life because one word you say I run joke with me. I'm never take it for invitation. I'm elaborate and squeal like the pig I am. I said I'm not having it. It's true. I said I can't do that crisis. I said when I watch about the video, then my ball, my cuss, my ball. I said I don't like it. But no, I can't do that crisis. Hey, I take it to heart, you know. Why create sensitive? And God just give him a glory and say, all right, Queenie, don't know. Stop bothering me. I get something. But so I let my friend call me the night and say, oh, me now feel I'm going. So I said, Jesus Christ, I'm born Sunday night and I do a next video again. And my son, leave me alone. And look how beauty that can watch. 3 years after that, you know. At 3 years ago, that right crazy. Give God thanks to the Queen, man. Believing in myself. Know my worth. Know my value. If you not approach me properly, I won't approach her properly either. So that wasn't something that was planned. It was just me. I didn't think that you do know I'm the queen. So please address me properly. Nobody call me no crosses. Hey, me tell you see love? Love conquers all. Every time I remember Dexter come across his but hurt something more and cry. I remember when I see the police them old Dexter doctor and one with the police are antagonizing. I feel it for him, you know. Like maybe 3 weeks, a month after me and him have the disagreement. And I see Dexter and them antagonize him and I say, oh my God, I'm going to go up on my Instagram and I say, Dexter, freedom is our boss. You see love? I use and win the world. I didn't love him from before. So when me and him have the disagreement, I still love him. I just defend myself. I tell him I'm going to Dexter Dax DM. You hear me sing that? I'm going to him DM. I say, Dexter, I don't care if you want to answer me. Freedom is a must, madam. Dexter with me turn artist, you know. You hear that? I love Queenie. When I do the video upon the bed, you know, Dexter was like, everybody I said Dexter sex and them husband and them nice and something. So I just like came back that I said, Dexter, I'm not wearing no panty. Dexter, I don't do, you know. And I'm a red lingerie upon my bed for Valentine's. And when I say, I'm short, I'm a Dexter. I said, sweet him, and it's a Queenie across, you know. And my friend from Jamaica sent me the Sunday. I said, first she sent me, my heart start beating, so my head full of water. I said, crosses, but don't like, don't worry. Stop balling. Queenie, stop it, that fool.
Queenie, where's some of Dexter that thing? Me now
wear no underwear. Me now wear. I went there. Me now wear no underwear. I went today. Me now wear no underwear. I never wear. Yeah. Play today. Oh, Shabba, I know you today. Sexy. Can you play that one?
Yes.
Right, crazy. Our Dexter song name was the Me now wear no underwear. I'm sorry, he said the man called me the crosses. Me shame because you me love him so much. Me I said crosses. Me just get up the Monday morning and I said Dexter. My granny always tell me, say, when people, what the name?
It's not showing.
What's the name of the song? I don't think it name Underwear. It have a different name. Raya Crazy with Dexter Dax Underwear song name. It name, I can't tell you what it name.
It ain't coming out.
You know, the name of the song in my mouth. She now wear no underwear. No underwear, them say. Put on no underwear.
You're going to do it on this one.
That's the tune. Somebody I love for me and Dexter go past stage. Know that my turn art. That's what I nice see. I remember the girl them Dexter had the girl them rascal brown eyed teddy. And me and the girl them double pussy. On the right hand side, go tell Dexter, say, tell a promoter for coming up on the stage today. That's what I see after 3 years. I mean, when Michelle did last year, message him, called me, I said, Queen, I'm proud of you.
You have to find some Wi-Fi.
Don't change to nobody. Dexter! No draws in there.
Come, Queenie. You hear steam stuff like that.
I like me ear of steam. That means it's a you know, long me ear in a steam. Watch a foreign ear steamer. You see that? Lord. So the next month, you know, see me, my ear got enough. You know how much ears me steam my ear? I don't have time for that. Yeah, nice. Them some need to cut off the dead ends, alright? So that's gonna go on as well today.
Listen, people, let me educate you. Anything comes out the scalp is dead. Right?
Okay.
You don't have no feeling when I stretch it, so it's all dead. It's to maintain it. Everybody say cut off the dead ends. Yeah, cut it off and look healthier. But does it really make it healthier?
Okay, just the looks. Okay. Right here? That's a professional. She went to school to know all the bits and the creases.
And also an educator.
Okay. So she can educate you lots about the skin
I
and
actually
hair.
used to run an academy in Manchester for a while. So.
You hear that? I only put talent have. Every woman very multi-talented, you know. You have all some talented little girl out there. Yeah. And then before they get about her in bed at morning time, you see them in her bed now, I listen to me, Queen, and they put, oh, can't be hard, super old man, Queen. From 7 o'clock, me up and running. You saw me early for my appointment. Me's a time person. Time now wait for nobody. You say I'll run it, so by the next month you're not going to see it grow. Yeah, I glued it, so for sure. But man stress near me to have to.
Oh Lord.
Yeah, man. Man stress do you them like something to. Cause like me was so hyperactive now. You never cut your ear ends. More am I when them cut today. A long time them not cut. I'm getting pampered. But one over here I do, by the way. Oh, no, go on, no, no, just remember.
Yeah.
Yes, he sang ya. That sang ya. And this let me turn artist, you know. Because I do the ads and I wind up on the front. Dexter, I'm not wearing any underwear, Dexter. Mr. Daps. And she going to say Dexter Daps. And then the name Dexter Daps. So my David Lap.
Lord Jesus,
she not wearing no underwear. She not wearing no underwear. Under there, Dexter rude and afraid. Can you imagine Dexter was so rude and me so rude? At time I come here and I go back past it. I not ask, you know. And him draw me in a music world without even knowing. Yeah, Dexter, big up yourself. You play a great part in my music journey. You hear that? 100% still. And big thanks to myself for my being determined and believing in me and never give up. You understand? See, sang there. When you hear Dexter, every girl own Dexter, you know. Dexter, every girl, man, you know. I see me like me. I saw them own, but the girl them own me too. I like girl them queen. And me and the girl them girl power. I own every girl. Like how Dexter own. Nice. Team out all like them. Just you see that? What feel nice? My really queen. Ladies, come and get yourself treated up here. What company name again, Keisha? And I hear that, come glam out to yourself. Glam studio. Get like a pampering. Life is for living. Let the skull breathe. Yeah, you see that? All I done of them. If Rachel is alive, but I can't Rachel in here now, come get this. Because she's full of dandruff, you see. R.I.P. I know I'm not going to look for my penny, you know. I know I'm not going to look for her. 1 week now I'm there. But Rachel, you don't know everywhere you're there. I walk with Rochelle ear, you know. Yeah, man, her ear in my purse. Her ear when I come out, when I come from Jamaica and see the whole her ear a tear out. When I see me, I put the ear in my bosom, I hide it from Rochelle. And when I don't carry it, the whole heap of ear a come out, you know, the big bulk of hair. And I say, I get so paranoid, you know, about my strong and body now. I say, even now I make she see them, so I hide them. And when I done come, and she said, Mom, you saw me ear a tear out. I said, Jesus Christ, God, what shall I know? And she said, yes. That time I have the big bungalow ear, so I hide from